Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix Messenger not sending photos. After unlocking your phone, open the Settings app. This is where you can manage app permissions and fix common issues. We'll first check whether Messenger has permission to access your photos. Use the search bar in Settings to quickly find Messenger. Tap the app when it appears to open its settings page. Here you'll find all the permissions and options related to the Messenger app. Once you're in the Messenger settings, tap Photos. Make sure the permission is set to full access so Messenger can send and receive photos without any restrictions. If it isn't enabled, select Full Access to apply the change. After updating the permission, swipe down from the top right corner and make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. A weak or unstable connection can prevent photos from sending properly. If needed, reconnect to a stronger network and try again. If Messenger still isn't sending photos, restart your phone. A quick restart refreshes the system and can resolve temporary app glitches. Once your phone turns back on, open Messenger and test sending a photo again. And that's how you can fix Messenger not sending photos with a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.